Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so we'll watch it. Okay, so. So I just got the video on camera, so. Yep. I'm gonna watch this film right here, so.
Every girl has a dream.
I want the perfect wedding, and I want my father to give me away. Look at my baby, your whole life ahead of us.
Every family
I read Mom's diary,
has a secret.
and I have 3 possible fathers. Oh my God.
Every wedding
Which one did you invite?
has a few surprises. You always knew how to make an entrance.
There were 3 guys around the same time. See you later.
The last time I saw your mother, she said she never wanted to see me again.
So who is your dad? I don't know.
It's very Greek. This July,
Somebody up there has got it in for me. I bet it's my mother.
take a trip down the aisle.
Is your father here?
You tell me.
You'll never forget.
Sophie!
Your father. What?
Typical. You wait 20 years for a dad and then 3 come along at once.
Universal Pictures presents
I've got 3 dads coming to my wedding, and I have to tell 2 of them are surplus. Only which 2?
Are you getting it? What do you mean?
I can't believe I'm in here.
I don't care if you slept with hundreds of men.
I haven't slept with hundreds of men.
Mamma Mia.
You sound like to have fun already.
Oh, we are.
I used to have fun.
Oh, we know.
Summer 2008.
Critics are raving. Miss Pettigrew is a blissfully entertaining comedy with a lot of heart.
I want you to marry me, and it's a one-word conversation.
Frances McDormand is terrific.
Seem to have made quite an impression on him.
Yes, I do, don't I?
Amy Adams is irresistible.
But I can't help it.
Some music, please. It's delightful, charming, Miss Pettigrew, and very funny.
Stop it in the jaw.
Miss Pettigrew lives for a day.
Wow.
Available on DVD.
Wall Street Magazine's list of New York's 50 most powerful women came out today.
I'm going to be the first female CEO of a major publication. It's so scary when she's like this. Women always feel that we have to apologize for our success. I thought she screwed her way to the top.
Based on the best-selling novel by Candace Bushnell, author of Sex and the City.
The man ordered you up like a sandwich.
This bed is insane.
Lipstick Jungle Season 1, available on DVD.
Yeah, this kind of amazing thing about this film right here, so don't me get wrong about this film right here, so case by the Classification Raimi administration. Go to www.filmraise.com.